Well, hello, it's John Neal here, and it is Friday the 14th of August 2026, and today I'm just going...
Well, it seemed like a good start because I was only using the NEO2 drone to record this little trip out, but put my hand out like that, the drone thinks it wants to land.
I would walk for miles in the hope of seeing your face.
This was only a little round trip, so I've gone through home on the hill, down the hill, round the corner, and then, of course, I had to come back and get the drone. And a chap from the house behind me noticed what I was doing, and we had a nice chat, and I couldn't help but show the drone off a bit.
Well, it's not too busy down here, and there's a chap lives in the house up there just wondering what I was doing.
Everyone loves a map, so here we are, high on the hill, down to the canal, the basin, along here next to the canal, sharp left, and then back onto a more major road, back into home on the hill, and back home, 6 miles, half an hour.
Oh, I hope a car doesn't come. Get around this corner, I should be safe. I can't hear anything. Oh, lucky, lucky, lucky! Yeah, come on, back you go, mate. Going quite quick, I'm going 20 miles an hour down here, and it seems to be managing. I must keep it over this way. If a car comes, I'll be in trouble. No, we're okay. I'm going round here. It should manage. Mind that bush. I can see well ahead. Right, well, if nothing comes, I'll be able to tell you what I'm doing. Yeah, just out for a quick ride, usual route, actually a short route, just going round this way. But you know, I was going to say this, it's like when dog walkers always go on the same walk, and you go on the same route day after day, and there's something special about it because you do begin to see new things, and there's nothing wrong with that, nothing wrong at all. Oh, one car, the drone is pretty solid in front of me. That car's just passed me and another one coming, and I'm fairly sure I'm safe. I don't know if people are wondering what's going on, but no, we're okay. Yeah, so sometimes just good to keep going on the same route. I think my batteries run out on this one. Let's change it. Come on, matey. Come on.
My drone's hungry, needs some food.
Okay, I'm using the iPhone just to give you another easy shot. I can't really do this with the NEO2, but to just stop by the bridge going over the canal. Look, it's nice. Okay, so I'm going to go down here and turn left. Down there, turn left. And that road is fairly quiet and goes very close to the canal.
I'll leave all this waving of hand around. I'm just setting it at the side of the road, fairly low down, so it can follow me round the corner. Just got to cycle back and then right in front of it. Lights, camera, action. That's a wrap. Of course, then I've got to come back and get the drone. Hand out, land on palm. This quiet road by the canal should be absolutely fine for flying the drone. The only trouble is...
It's supposed to be in front of me.
I say it's a quiet road, and then what happens? 2 cars turn up. Right, now they've gone. Let's put the drone in front where it should be and press on.
Finally got it right. Following in front. Following in front makes no sense really, does it? But the best I can do along here. Yeah, with it being so dry, we've had a disaster in Stourbridge. Oh, by the way, there's the canal right next to me, as you can see. Yeah, there was a wildfire in Stourbridge, and there's been one or two around the country, and tragically it made its way into some gardens and burnt 18 houses down. So this evening we've just had on our phones national security alerts, warning us about wildfires and not to light fires anywhere, which I thought was a very, very good point. We just saw Andy Burnham, our new MP, Prime Minister, sorry, PM, on the telly saying the same thing, because he'd been down to Stourbridge to see what was going on, quite wisely. And yeah, so we now have an emergency message come on all the thousands of people's phones, if not millions, about no fires at the moment. Right, just coming down to the junction here, and I think I'm just going to stop and do something here. Let's pull over. I wonder if I can do this all in one go. There's a lot of branches here. Come on. Well, I'm just going to probably stop here, and this will do me. I told you it's.
Well, I hope this is okay. The trouble is when you're talking to the drone, if you wave your hands about, it seems to notice and wants to start doing things like land on your hand and so on. So I'm going to leave it at the moment. But it's a lovely spot, and it's gone a bit cooler today. Look, canal that way. Oh, they're lovely lanes to ride round. Going this way now, look, to go home. You know what I suppose I could do is just ride a little bit here with the camera in my hand. Well, I'm breaking my own rules now, because I said I was only going to use the NEO2. So sorry about that. So I'm just holding my iPhone in my hand, and got to be going quite quick here now actually, and I can only go one-handed. Whoa! There's a squirrel there, went backwards and forwards and backwards and forwards, didn't know what he was doing. Right, anyway, thanks for watching, and you'll see me in the next one. Okay, bye-bye.